Hello, this is a quick demonstration on how to build and use an automation that does an order fulfillment. So for this very particular case, it took me longer to create the accounts on SquareSpace and then on IngramSpark than to develop this first version of this automation itself. Let me show you first. When you import this template, then you go to inspect and you would need to replace, I have a multi-screen, which doesn't make it look good. You have to replace your credentials. So on your screen it will show well, but in the login folders right here, you can unfold them and go to populate email and replace with your email. Then go to populate password, replace with your password. This is for the login to Ingram. And then you open up, you uncollapse the login to SquareSpace. You do the same. You replace your email right here and your password right here. So this essentially takes care of the login for both websites. Once we finish the login, then we go into the last order page from SquareSpace. We go to the orders URL. We open up the first order. We get the product name of the last order, and then we save it into a static variable. And then we go to Ingram to fulfill the order. So we go to the add items URL and we search. We will populate the book name, the last product we got, and we'll click on search. So that's basically what it does. We will do another video to cover how to build this automation. So let me show you that it does the job, that it works. So if I run it locally, and then I'm going to bring up the window is here. So the first step is to log in into both websites. I start with the Google page, but you can start with any page if you want. So now it goes first to IngramSpark, and I'm going to let it do the login. There is a 10-second wait, just in case the page takes longer to wait. So we're waiting for that timeout of 10 seconds, and then you're going to start typing the login that I showed you, and then the password, and it hits login button. So we're in, and that's it for now. We're just doing the login. Once the page is fully displayed, we're going to move to login to SquareSpace. There it goes. It's going to SquareSpace login page. Again, I put a 10-second timeout. You can reduce it to less, but it's safer to keep 10 seconds. Once that timeout, okay, timeout gone. Now email, password. It's going to click login. And now we will have a session in SquareSpace. So now both sessions will stay alive. We can navigate between the two websites. So now we go to our SquareSpace website where I created one dummy order with one dummy product. And then it's going to click on the name of the client, open this little tab. Here it's going to grab the book that was here, and then I alert it for you to see that it was able to take the item that was ordered. So this is for you to see that the data is being caught. So I'm going to click OK, and it's going to continue. You can remove these alerts once the automation is fully finished. So now it has that saved in the static variable, which is called static product name, I think. Now it goes to the books to order, and it's going to search for that title. So it's going to populate the book name or the product name right here in the title field. Again, I put 10 seconds timeout here. So it's waiting 10 seconds. So it's full. You can see that it's writing the book, and it actually clicked on search. But because I don't have any books, and it's complicated to register with IngramSpark. But this was just to show you guys that you can pull the product information from SquareSpace or any e-commerce website CRM, and then you can bring the data into any other website that fulfills order, and then paste the data. And I put here in the alert that, of course, once this works well, then from the origin website, we will grab the customer name, the order number, all the products, and then we will come back here and finish the job. So this is just to show that it is possible and that it can be done pretty quickly. Thank you.